Farm events are a great revenue source for farms and also a great way to build loyalty and relationships with customers in your community. And now you can set them up in Farmhand in a few simple steps. You'll notice there's now an event tab on the left, and when you go into it, you can create new events. So I'm going to do one here for a farm tour. Write in your title, write in your description, add in a photo, set your start and end dates. So I'm going to do this one for Saturday, ending Saturday, and set your time. So it's going to be a 1-hour tour, 11 a.m. I will have it at the farm. You can set a capacity for the event. You could also set a capacity by ticket tier. So I'm going to go ahead and add a adult ticket. I'll set that to $10, and we can do 20 adults. So I'll add that. And then I'll add a kids ticket under 13. And I'll set that to $5. And we can do 10 kids. And then simply hit create event. Now you can see here with all the details. And as registrations pop in, they'll be here. So I can review everything and then publish it when I'm ready. So now it's published. And when it's published, when I go to my store now, normally you would see the farm products, but now with the event published, I can see the event in its own section. And when I click on the event, I have a detailed view where I can see the ticket tiers and complete my checkout.
All right, here's a quick demo of the event ticketing experience for customers on Farmhand. So I have Morelli Orchard's farm shop pulled up, and I see an event listing featured at the top of the page for tractor ads. If I click through, I can see the event listing page. There are some details here around the date, time, and location of the event, as well as a short description. And on the right, I can see all of the ticket tiers that are available for purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and buy one adult ticket. And here on the order summary page, I see, again, the event details, the ticket type and quantity that I'm purchasing. In this case, I have a balance that's being applied, so the amount due is $0. When I place the order, I will see a confirmation screen and a link to return to the shop. If I move back to the customer dashboard, I'll now see an option in the navigation for tickets. So this is where I'll access all of my tickets for both upcoming and past events. And if I click on that, I'll now see some additional details here, a link to view the event details page, and a QR code that I can scan at the day of the event, and a farm host will grant me access to the event. I will also receive an email with that same QR code and a confirmation of the ticket purchase.